Welcome back to Happy Bake Day. I'm Amanda, and today we are making Piña Colada Cupcakes. In a large bowl, you're going to whisk together 2 cups of cake flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Mix really well. Next, you'll add half a cup of vegetable oil, a cup of whole milk, a teaspoon of rum extract, and 3 large eggs. Again, you're going to whisk together until your batter is nice and smooth. Once that's done, you're going to cut up 4.5 ounces of dried pineapple. Set 3 pineapple rings aside, and you're going to cut the rest up into small chunks. Fold your pineapple chunks into the batter, and then this is ready to scoop into cupcake liners. And use a scoop to fill them about 2/3 of the way full. And once that's done, this is ready for baking. You're going to bake your cupcakes in the oven for about 16 to 19 minutes or until a cake tester inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow your cupcakes to cool in the pan for 5 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. To make our frosting, you're going to add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and a 1/4 cup of salted butter, also softened, to a mixing bowl. Use an electric hand mixer to mix on medium-high speed until nice and smooth and well combined. Once that's done, you'll add 2 cups of powdered sugar and 2 teaspoons of coconut extract. Again, you're going to use your hand mixer to mix together until everything is smooth and creamy. Transfer your frosting to a piping bag fitted with a large star tip, and once your cupcakes have completely cooled, you're going to pipe your frosting directly over your cupcakes. Sprinkle with some sweetened dried coconut flakes, and you can add a piece of the remaining reserved pineapple over top for a little decoration. Our Piña Colada cupcakes are done and perfect for summer's lounging by the pool. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join me again next week.